Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making madeleines. Now these are the definition of light and airy. These madeleines are a perfect combo of a crispy exterior with a cloud-like spongy interior. And I can't wait to show you how to make them. So let's get started.
Alright, let's dive right into this recipe. In a medium-sized pot set over medium heat or 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius, we want to add in 7 tablespoons worth of unsalted butter. We want to melt the butter, and our aim here is to brown the butter to bring out some deeper flavor. Next up, we're going to add 3/4 cups plus 1 tablespoon's worth of all-purpose flour, alongside 1 dash of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder into a sifter, and sift those into a medium-sized bowl. This creates the dry mix for our recipe. And now in a separate bowl of a stand mixer fitted with either a whisk or paddle attachment, you want to add in 2 large eggs, as well as 1/2 cup's worth of granulated white sugar. Beat this on high speed until the mix is a pale yellow and has thickened. This should take roughly about 9 minutes. The batter should trail from the whisk, and it should hold its shape as they fall into the rest of the batter. You also want to gently mix in 1 teaspoon's worth of pure vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon's worth of lemon zest, or the zest of 1 lemon. Sift your dry mix into this batter, and then gently fold in the dry mix until it has combined using a rubber spatula. Now you want to gradually add in the melted butter to the batter and gently fold the butter into the batter until it's just combined. Place plastic wrap over the surface of the batter tightly and then refrigerate this to allow it to chill for 1 hour. You also want to chill your madeleine pan as well. Once that chilling time is up, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. Prepare the madeleine pan by brushing the wells with melted butter. You want to scoop 1 tablespoon's worth of the batter into the center of each well of the madeleine pan. Transfer this to the oven and bake these for 8 to 10 minutes. After the baking time is up, allow the madeleines to cool in the pan for a few minutes after baking prior to removing them. In total, this recipe should make about 20 to 24 madeleines. And for final touches, you want to dust the madeleines with sifted powdered sugar and serve. Congrats, you made madeleines right at home. These pair well with a great cup of coffee. I can't wait to see how these turn out for you all. And when you do try them at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish.
As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 3, Upgrading Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make madeleine cookies, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. And if you've been enjoying the content so far, please consider becoming a member. It's a simple way to show support and reinvest back into the channel. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. And feel free to share this recipe with all your family and friends.
And stay tuned for next week where I show you one classic dessert recipe, my pound cake. I promise you you're going to love this recipe, and my hope is that it becomes a staple in your own kitchen. Well, thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate it. You can always catch more videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, Peace.